Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to save WhatsApp status to your phone storage. So let's get started.
When we open WhatsApp, there you can see there are so many status. So I will show you two of those. One is a image and one is a video file. There you can see this image file, and here you can see this video file. So now I will show you how to save those video files and image files which we got as status from WhatsApp to our phone storage. For this you need only a one application called File Manager. There you can see in this phone there is this File Manager app called File. You can download and install this File Manager app from Play Store. When you go to Play Store and search for File Manager, then here you can see there are many search results, so you can download and install one of these to your phone. So once you install this to your phone, you have to open it and go to local, and here you have to select your default storage location. Now here search for folder called WhatsApp. Here you can see this. Now go to media and here search a folder called status. If you will not find a folder called status, what you have to do is click on menu and go to settings. And here you can see there are two options, show hidden files and show hidden media files. You have to enable those two options like this. Now here search a folder called status. Here you can see this. Now here you can see all the status you got from WhatsApp. Now I show you that video file and image file that I showed you at the beginning of this video. So here you can see this image file. And now I will show you that video file. There you can see this also. So now let's see how to save those image files and video files to our phone storage. Make sure these files will be deleted from here when status are deleting from WhatsApp. Status are deleting from WhatsApp within 24 hours. So let's see how to save those media to our phone storage. You have to select those files like this, and here you can see options called copy, move, delete, select all, and here you can see menu also. In menu you can see you can share those files on your any social media, and you can copy these files to your clipboard and you can paste those files in another destination also. When you click on move, you can move these files to another destination on your phone like this. So when you come to your destination, you have to click on move, then these files will be pasted from here. So from this method you can save any WhatsApp status to your phone storage.
If you got something from my video, please consider to subscribe and tap on the bell icon for get notification about my new videos. And don't forget to like to this video and share this video and comment your ideas about this video. Thank you for watching my video.